Well, I just want to say thank you all for making the trip to Pebble Beach. I know it was very difficult for you to get on the planes, leave home, particularly those who live in the southeast where it's warm, hot, and they come out here to this pristine place. You will have a lot of fun this week. We're very proud of all of you.
Yeah, Hammer, take it away. Hi, I'm Timothy Briones from First Year Phoenix. Welcome back to Nature Valley First Yield. Our announcement this week is Brian, Kurt, John, David, and Ray. Now let's get back to the end.
One more time.
As someone said, if you have integrity, nothing else matters. If you don't have integrity, nothing else matters. So congratulations to all the junior golfers on being here. Good luck this week and all the days to come.
Let's welcome Olympic skier Lindsey Vonn to speak to confidence.
I didn't know I was a crowd pleaser. Hopefully I can do it tonight. No, good evening. I'm really happy to be here today. You know, I actually had a really long story planned about my childhood, but instead I'm going to tell you about my golf game today, and then tell you about my life story. I had a great 9 holes today with an amazing young woman named Megan, and I'm here to speak to you tonight on confidence. And seeing her today and seeing her talent and her skill and how much confidence she had was incredible. I'm not a very good golfer. I ski down the mountain at 90 miles an hour, so really it's not real golf. But the confidence that she had reminded me of myself when I was a junior racer. And confidence is, I think, one of the most important things you can have as an athlete and as a person. You know, you have a lot of trials and tribulations in life, and I think one thing that is so beneficial is to believe in yourself. Confidence is something that not everyone has, but if you believe in yourself, you can do anything that you want to be, whether it's being a golfer or a skier or a general sales executive.